Hey guys, how's it going? How to use Runway ML for style transfer in videos. Go ahead and open it up and click the plus button right here. And of course, you can use the act on to add either picture or video by hitting right here, generate at the bottom. You can add your own image or video for that matter, and then hit generate at the bottom so you can transfer that style to be more, to be more animated ish. So you can use that, right? Or you can use that, of course, as I told you before, the video to video option, right? Go ahead and click the video to video and then add your own video live, like record your video live as I showed you in the previous video, and then hit add style to animate the video so the video will be more animated or something like that. Okay, so you can choose that kind of animation that you want for the video and then hit generate at the bottom right. And of course, you're gonna wait for a few moments, and if you want to check it out, click the library at the bottom right and you're gonna be able to see your video from here. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching this